The AARP grant really made the difference for us last year because we were having so much trouble with the breakers and the electrical source, and so to get that replaced, to get that done was a lifesaver for us. The electrical supply in our building, we had a breaker box that was very old and the breakers were old and they were snapping and we just didn't have a reliable electrical source. And so the project was to replace the breaker box and all the breakers, and the electrician came in and he said, well, it's here over the sink and it's really not in code. We need to just turn it around. The most efficient and the least expensive way to do it was just turn it around and face it on the back wall. So that's what they did. Every week we have a team that comes in and cooks and prepares the meals, and we'll have a team come in and they serve. We serve it like restaurant style.
They bring your food to you, and you can always get a second plate if you're hungry enough. Sometimes people have problems having enough food for the week or for the month if they're on limited income, and it helps feed them.
Oh, it's wonderful. They always have wonderful meals, and we appreciate that. Especially me, I had knee surgery, and it's hard for me to be cooking right now, so this has been a great help. Well, most of the people that come over here, they're very friendly, and they come because they like to socialize.
But that's what we do is serve hot, fresh, nutritious meals free of charge, and we've been doing this is our 10th year. The project was to replace the breaker box and all the breakers, and so to get that replaced, to get that done was a lifesaver for us.